Well, not too nice of a day. It's starting to rain and stuff. But back at it again. Terry, you okay? What are you doing? Oh, gee, oh,
Don't look at me!
oh, gee, dude, sorry, crap.
Frick, man.
Well, as I said before, we were rudely interrupted. We're back at it again. Dude, come on, like, really? Anyways, I think we got most of the wiring done. And you're taking my light away, man.
Give me a second. There. Wait till I get my high beams on my car.
Well, it's not good enough. We need the light here so we can see inside the engine bay, because it's dark now. Well, you better be, okay?
Take that.
There. Okay.
We need to find an extension cord.
Yeah, we will. But anyways, yeah, so we're pretty much ready to drop the motor back in. Got to get all this crap hooked up again and whatnot, and change the fuel lines too. That's gonna be interesting because this one's got the old style with the fittings and whatnot, and the other.
You know what we do? Same as like a brake line. You flare the end of it, but we have brass fittings on it. It's called a coupler actually.
Oh yeah.
And I've got also thread sealant at home.
Huh.
So we can use that to seal it so it won't leak.
Well, I was thinking like
not like extreme pressure.
Yeah, exactly. Since it's not extreme pressure, if we needed to, we could just cut the ends off that.
You know what?
And then use. Oh yeah, duct tape, man. No, but I was thinking we could use some high pressure fuel line and some hose clamps. Yeah.
Actually, that would work. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking before. But the fuel
sure
lines.
We can find some stuff here.
Oh, I'm sure he's got stuff. But yeah, the fuel lines are different. These use compression fittings. They're not compression, but quick release. So, totally different. Bob is not your uncle, nor your sister, nor your friend of a friend who went to school with Bob. Yes. Oh, I just got off work and we had one hell of a storm. This is some of the smaller hail. I kid you not. I'll actually see that kind of clean patch in my hand. Yeah, I got hit by a hailstone about that big, right in the chest. I got it on video on my phone, but it's kind of crappy quality. You can see the yard is just littered with friggin' hail. That's skitting up there. And that's, even still, I was hit by one bigger than that. Right in the friggin' chest. They're everywhere. Friggin' everywhere. Yeah. I haven't found any new dents on the Cummins, but it doesn't mean they're not there. Beastie's got a few new dents, but I'm not really worried about it. She's a friggin' bush truck. But this is what I kinda am worried about because I just spent a while doing body work on it. That actually looks okay. That's cool. But anyways, I gotta head out. We're working on the S10 again. Just about got her done. Oh, we're in for another big storm. For eggs sakes. It's gonna be nasty. Storm's here. Oh, as soon as I get the camera on, it turns friggin' goes a bit weaker. But yeah, he was out there for a second and he's soaked.
Yeah, just for a second I was wet.
That's crazy. Slide. There we go.
Like we're under a waterfall.
Yeah, it sounds like we're under a waterfall. That's crazy.
Wow. Very dirty oil.
Well, here's one of the trucks I'm getting for doing this. It's, I think it's an 88 Nissan Pathfinder. Tis, yeah, an 88. Sweet. Yeah, this thing's not bad. 3-inch body lift, V6, 4-wheel drive. Frig, yeah.
Get her started.
Yeah. Get all these bolts out of the way so I don't drive over them. Yeah.
on my 4Runner I
Yeah.
had, but these are like 29.5 or 31s.
Maybe 31s. Cool.
Same exact tire.
Yeah, I remember. Oh, see if she'll fire. Should. Well, this is the Mazda, the other one that my brother's getting, but it's got a big dent in the roof. So this is how we fix it. Give her. No more dent.
Yeah.
Friggin' right. Oh, there's just a small couple little dents at the front, but
Okay, let's get it started.
yeah.
It's actually the same.
26.
They both have washers in the back.
2.6 liter. That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, so let's get this guy fired up.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna try to start this guy now. Okay, give her. Oh. Need a screwdriver? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Might not have gas. None of the other ones did. None of the other vehicles had gas. It might need gas. Oh. Never mind. Hold up.
It's hard to drive.
That's a cool hammer.
I need you to come pick me up at the house.
Can't hear what you're saying.
Are you trying to pick me up at the house?
Alright. Oi! Stop! That's cool. Yeah, hard to drive it without a seat. I think it's pretty cool, actually.
Pick me up in my truck or your truck?
box is a bit rusty, but it's pretty cool. That thing is loud. Actually looks pretty decent. And then this is my other truck that I'm getting. I'll just probably throw the white hood on it. I need to get a bumper and maybe bumper horn. Maybe not. But yeah. Fix the cab corners, fix the box rust, and then sell it. So I don't want it. Probably be selling the Pathy too. That thing's pretty cool though, but no, I'm gonna sell it. And then these two vehicles sold should pay for the injector pump, and hopefully some of the fuel system. But I gotta go pick him up now. I'll take his other truck. He's got this black Mazda with someone shot at it. But take it for a drive. On a jazz. Auto. Seems decent. Buzzer is annoying as frig. There you go. I don't want to hit my S10. Man, this thing's got a wicked turning radius. Hello, S10. Too bad we didn't have a huge acreage or nothing. We could friggin' farm truck these. Where did he go? There he is. I was gonna say, he's like, no, no. That's funny. It's not bad. It hesitates a little bit when you try to give her.
It still needs to be cleaned out. It needs to be run at highway speed for like 20 minutes.
Yeah. That'll be a decent little truck though.
I like it.
Yeah.
I just wish it was. I wish I had that transmission in this.
Yeah.
This body's way better.
The box is better. Yeah, they're both limited slip rear. Yeah. The cab is better on the other truck, but this box is better.
This box is near mint.
Yeah.
Near.
A couple little dings, but not
I
major.
need a truck, and this one is in way better shape. Maybe I should just stick with the automatic.
Maybe. You can do burnouts in it.
But,
easier.
You know, I've got my manual trucks.
Yeah. Anyways, we gotta clean up. We gotta go. We got things and stuff. Right?
Yep.
Who's your sister?
Fred.
Fred? Okay.
Yeah, we're good.